Hello America, hello world. We are back with another episode of TMG, Tony Magnum Gaming Ninja Gaiden. As you recall, the military is coming after us and we broke into one of their bases and we need to attack their radio tower. Alrighty, let us begin. Oh, now remember, we did get this bad boy. Let's just take a peek at it again. Maybe weapons. Oh. Yeah, we're definitely gonna level that bad boy up. Should we play with it now? We already did that one. We had the Nunchaku. The Warhammer, give it a shot. Not yet. Not yet. We're gonna stick with the Dragon Sword. Okay, here we go. Making my way downtown, walking fast, faces pass, I'm homebound. When that song came out, man, everybody was on that shit. Just so catchy. So we go through this door. Yep. Alright. Oh, why did it stop? No! Oh, that's Strongbow. That's Strongbow. Nope. Strongbow. Yes! Kill this runner from the distance. There we go. Good. Alright. Anybody else? Okay, good. Good. Usually they attack in threes. Haven't seen anything about that. Oh shit. No, you don't. I gotta get closer. Get that auto fire. No. Oh, shit. Can't help you. Yeah. Block the damn bullets. That sounds virtually impossible, but we're doing it. There it is. You get him? Ah, shit. What the hell? There we go. Ah, shit. Oh, shit. Not him, the other guy. Oh, shit. No. Fuck. Oh, he got me. Son of a bitch. Aha! Now that's better. Out of here. Got him. Alright, almost ran out of. Ooh. Warehouse key. Alright, we'll take that. Oh, shit. They're coming out of the woodwork. One more shot. Wow. Yes, one down. Out of here. You dead? Yeah, he did. Oh! Oh! Shit! Heal. Shit. Okay, this new combo's going. Oh, shit. There we go. Yes! Anybody else? I didn't think so. You know what I'm saying? Alright. Let me see here. Warehouse key. What's this? Explosive arrows. Okay. I am down with that. Is there anything else right here? Doesn't look like it. I guess we're going here. Warehouse key. Alright. In the warehouse. Let's go ahead and load up those explosive arrows. Wait. Equipment. Projectile. Explosive arrows. But we're going to actually go with the windmill shuriken because we'll wait till we actually see something warranting of an explosion directly in the face via bow system. Let's see. Okay, here we go. Oh my goodness. I think that's what they call a railgun. Let's see here. Key card to operate the shutters. Okay. Let's see. If I was a key card, where would I be? Probably in somebody's pocket. Is that here? No, nothing interesting. Alright, we're going up these stairs here. If I was a key card, I'll be in the pocket. I want to be safe, secure, and only by the person who needs me. I'm thinking way too much into the key card situation, am I? Alright. Damn it! Ah, you little drone fuckers. Ah. That. Oh! The laser! Got him. See a range? It's not. There he is. No! Come on. Why? Oh, wait, he just moved closer. Hit him! He's right there! Fuck. Shit, didn't mean to do all that. Fuck. Wait, fuck it. Still somebody else up there. Get all that. And, oh, shit, around top. Fuck, get up there, get up there. You and your freaking laser. No! Ah! Fuck. Okay, come on. Oh! Are they just come? You know what? We're just gonna have to move on. I thought it would be like a little limit. It might be just flooding out. Alright, we're going. Ah! Take that one. Oh shit. Take that. Okay. Go ahead and collect them all the way up though. What's this? Ah shit! Hot! Hot potato. APFSDS course. What the fuck does that mean? We're gonna have to look that up eventually. Oh shit, go, get back up there. Okay, keep going upstairs. Keep going. Okay. Go. Watch out for the laser! Shit! Ooh, what's this? And that does... Turn the lights on, go! Uh-oh. What's down here though? Come on, keep going. Shit. Oh! Yes! Get you some. Yes! Collect all that shit. Oh, nothing special down here. Oh, that was close. Ninja. Get a little closer. Ninja. Yes. Oh, have y'all ever seen those videos? These two heavyweight motherfuckers, just huge dudes, doing a trust fall and just flattening other people. They tried to do it to a pizza guy, and he said, hold on, I'm just a pizza guy. Okay. Thought I was in trouble. Ooh, what was that? There's something down there. Don't let me forget that box. You see that box? Okay, don't let me forget that. Okay. Jump. Okay. Yep, 1 second. Get a good running start. Don't want to fall. I just said I didn't want to fall. Son of a bitch. All right, hold on. Cut. Wait, actually, let's get the box first. This box. This other box. So y'all can see what's in there. There we go. Alright, now cut. Alright, we're back. I made the jump, got the scarab, and we're gonna jump back this way. Cheating ninja style. Ah! Let's jump on this. Oh, don't run! Oh, got it. Oh, careful. Okay. And open the box. Bang. Ooh, got the great ones. Okay. I need to find some more of the little ones, so. We'll probably find another one of those statues here shortly. And it would be odd that he's over here too. But then again, is he part of this empire? He has a store. I can't remember his name. The store guy. Ah, there we go. Good. Let's push that over. Nope. Oh, nope. There we go. All right. Let's go up in here. Who unleashed those damn drones at? Aha. Oh, the key card, but it's not in a pocket. Ain't that some shit? Let me see. Military base. Okay. I am there in that room. Warehouse. Aren't the shutters down there? So what's this arrow for? Might check something out. Hold on a second. Do I gotta break this? Communication? No? Anything here? Nope. Okay. Let's see here. Just jump all the way down. Fuck it. There we go. Shortcut. And nope, not that way. This way. Go. It's already explored all that way. There we go. Have y'all been using the tap system on debit cards? I think it's pretty cool. I'm still trying to get used to it. One thing I've been doing, getting used to it, and just sticking in there with the chip. Can't take that. I need to stop. I'm sorry. Right in the, oh God! Right in the comment section. Tony, stop that shit. There we go. Oh no, you don't. Reload it. Son of a bitch. No. No. Okay. Heal. Shit. Got him. Got him. Ah, shit. shit. Oh. Oh shit. No kicks, no kicks. Oh, somebody's on my backside. Shit. Oh, that hits pretty good. Oh shit. Grenade! Oh. Ah shit. In all seriousness, not trying to give you guys any ideas, but shouldn't there be a lot more soldiers? This is their Empire's thing. But then again, I guess they're having recruitment troubles too. Wink, wink, nudge, nudge. I wonder what happened. Oh! He ruined it. Ruined it. Yeah. Okay. Shit. Go. Get over there. I gotta heal. Okay. Fire! Oh, shit! Oh, yeah. How did he block that? Well, then again, he just got pretty good looking armor. Okay. Doors unlocked. Hamana. Let's see. Hello, save station and the upgrade shop. Okay, let's go ahead. No, upgrade shop first, then we save. All right, what we got here? More scarabs? Yes. Wanna give me something good? 21. You gonna give me shit? All right, that's fine. Nope, can't do it yet. Oh fuck! I was looking at the excitement of getting it, but I didn't see the numbers. Okay. We gotta learn how to budget our stuff. Yes, budgeting is a good thing. I don't care what these damn hippies on their socialist crap tell you. Just be responsible with your money. You don't run around deserving shit. You make your earning and you be responsible with what you have your money for. You spend on what you can afford. And stay the fuck out of debt. If you want me to actually do some more videos on those rants right there, let me know in the comments section, because I do want to get more fitness videos. I did learn I can do that with my editing system, so I may have to explore with that. So stand by for actual more pump and iron. Where y'all going? Get back here. Oh no, they're going in a fucking tank. Oh boy. Oh no. Oh wait. Ah shit. Don't you dare. Oh wait a minute. This might be time for those cores, right? Core section. Tank shells made from a heavy tungsten material. They have superb penetration capabilities. Oh, superb penetration. Oh god. Oh, don't you get hit by that shit! Shit! Get out of there! Okay. I see what you're doing. Ah, shit. Yes, penetrate. Oh, God. Here. Get killed. What's that up? Ah, shit, not that one. Oh! Shit, come on, he's almost dead. Yes! This little mini boss here. Don't you dare run over here. Oh, yes, perfect. Ah, that was not perfect. Come on. Yes! Good. Ah, shit, another one. What is that, just one or two? One. Ah, shit. Something hit him, mate? Come on. Just do it. Yes. Hit him. Wow. Float like a butterfly. Sting like a bee. Oh shit, out of ammo. Very good. Get the ammo. Yes. Hiya. Can I get a... Oh god. Wait. There. Can I get a larger quiver? No! Stop it. Oh shit. Don't you dare bring that shit over here. Oh, damn, I just ran from it. Oh. shit! Shit! Got him! Okay. Ooh, wait. What's going on? Oh, got the elevator. Why would you let the elevator down when the enemy's kicking your butt? Make it make sense. Let's see here. Okay, we got that. Can we get some more? That's explosive ones. That could have been good. Bang. Alright. Let me see here. We came from over that way. I think we go over here. Yeah, just go over here. Hit the button. There's some big ass buttons. How come we don't have anything that big and belligerent? Not even the elevators. Interesting. Shit. Heal again. Ah! Good. Cause I might just get my butt kicked a little bit more. Overpass. Okay. More course. Can't carry. Okay. Whoa! Whoa! Oh, hell no! Alright. Eat a corn. I just shot a tank arrow. Ugh. Nope. Oh, come on! Why won't my swallow moves work? Pause. Ah, shit. It's called the diamond swallow or whatever. But I know some of y'all got dirty minds. Dirty boy. Oh, shit. Gotta kill the Hapachi. Oh, crap. What the? There's somebody down here? Wait, do I gotta hit him this way? I guess I do. Oh shit, gather! Gather! Oh! How do I? Heal. Shit! What am I shooting over there? Do I have to just wait till he gets closer? Shit. Oh my goodness, no. Whoa! No, he did not just try to drop the bomb on me, baby. Just click in and out. Can I block those? Oh my goodness. Oh shit, it's too far away. Okay, good news is they actually do a lot of damage. Ah, fuck. Come on. Ah, shit. Okay, I can't block those. Good. Oh shit. Did not see those coming. Hold still. Yes. Come on. Okay. Come on. Damn it. I gotta wait till he gets closer. There's no way I can hit him while manually aiming. Come here. Okay, here he comes. Get ready to block though. Oh, you're too close, man. You're too close. Dave Chappelle, Diamond skit. The 5 best rappers alive. Dylan. Fuck! And not me dying. Alright, we're back. We're gonna try this one more again. Ah, shit. Block those. Damn it. Come here. Okay, we're gonna go to the side. Okay. Yes. Get me out of here. Stop. Here we go. Come on. There we go. Block that. Okay, good. Oh shit. Out of ammo. Fuck. Go. Got it. Okay. Come on. Can I block the whole thing? Block. Okay. Good. Come on. Okay, I still got nice healing. Oh, wait. Shit! Oh, he tagged me to not let me move! Son of a bitch! Oh, really? Ugh. Wait a minute. I need to get behind that pole. There's one. Oh shit. Heal. Just want to do the bomb. Miss me. Good. Fuck. Come on. He's halfway there. Don't you dare shoot me with that little bit. He tried to. You see him? There you go. Aha! Yes. That's right. Yes. Here we go. Come on. Oh shit. Yes. Come on. Yes. Got him. Yes. Whoo. Damn it. Cheap ass bastard. Yeah. Get that sweet shot. Right in the face. Got his ass. Mayday. Okay. Let's grab some more ammo. Actually, let's save again before anything happens. What if I have to redo that shit again? No, thank you. Alright, let's keep moving. You know what? I just thought something. All the whole ninja stealthness is not in this game at all. Just one lone warrior trying to kick some ass. Aha. Let's see here. Ooh, here we go. What can we get? We're only at 60. Can't get shit. Never mind. Want to save. Fuck a duck. Okay, here we go. Please do. Ooh. Yep. There we go. Ooh. Yes. Alright, what else we need? We need to go through this door. Yes, okay. Rooftop. No. I thought no was going to go up. Uh-oh. Who's coming? Shit. No. Yes. Fuck it. Oh. Stop preventing me from kicking that ass. Oh, come on, do the damn dive maneuver. Okay. You good? We are good. I see a box over here. Let's go ahead and get it. Yeah, okay. Get that refill. Oh! Who? You serious? Where? Oh. Can I go ahead and snipe these fuckers? Ah, shit. Wrong one. 1 second. Oh, right in the fucking face. Piece of shit. Let's see here. Oh! Trying to time their pattern. Let's see here. Come on. Attack. I did get that one, right? Okay. Shh. Oh. Where's that door? Fuck it. Let's go in that door. It won't let me. Oh, fuck. Oh, come on. I really gotta do it manually. Oh, fuck. This is gonna be a little tricky. It's just so clumsy. Okay. Come on. Come on. Got it. It's one now. Oh shit. Oh. For another shot. There it is. Okay, here we go. Come on. Oh shit. Wait a minute. Do I need to shoot them or the lights? Shit, not ammo. Alright, let's go for the lights. Oh, god damn it. Okay, we gotta use. Oh, we're gonna go for the lights now. We're gonna go for the lights. Ah. Okay. Oh shit. Oh shit. Okay, here we go. Ah, okay. Wait a minute. This might be the thing we need to do. Here we go. One. Oh, go quick. Yeah, oh, ah, shit. That was close. One. Here we go. Come on. One more. Is that it? Oh, that's what we need to do. Nice. Woo wee. Oh, shit. That was gonna be a bigger cutscene. Alright, let's keep going. Ah, shit! Bitch, where did you come from with that? Okay. Down. The organization is shambles. Now it's time to escape the base. Resistance around the train. Terminal is low. Alright. We'll do that. We shall do that. Oh shit. There we go. Ninja run. Oh yeah. Get that healing. Get that healing. Come on, healing. Son of a bitch. Wait. We don't want to waste ammo like that. Let's go ahead and get that one shuriken back. Hiya. Get back in my range, though, you son of a bitch. Give me that healing. I hate you. I hate you all so fucking much. Give me the... What the hell is that? Oh! Shit! Oh my goodness, no! Come on! This is unfair as fuck! Dude, out! Get the fuck off me! No! Woo! Damn it to hell! That was oh my goodness! Setting a ninja up for failure. Can't let a ninja win. But don't worry, I will push through. I will persevere. Get back down here. Fuck. Damn, I got no healing items. Nobody else? Good. Ah, shit. Go through the door. Wait. Oh, shit! Take it. He blocked everything! Die, please! Thank you! You! Don't these damn close quarters! Oh, shit! God damn! Oh. Holy! Damn it. Ah! Good. Okay, guys. See. Keep going. Door is locked. Why is the door locked? It should not be locked. Oh, crap. Where do I go? So, gotta go this way again. Oh, fuck! Am I going up or down? Oh, shit. Did I miss something? Oh, crap. Shazam. Let's see here. Humana. Where'd I go? Oh, no. Not again. Come on. This needs to kill me. Yes. Not again. Oh. Did I? No, I should have heard the beeping the first time. It wanted me to come back. So I killed people. Oh wait, let me kill some more people and get a key card. Was I stupid? Did I miss the beeping? Did I just get death in my ear? I don't know. Oh, okay. Oh wait, do I got more of these guys out here? Oh, thank goodness. Whew. Yes. Okay. Control room. Oh, I thought I had to smash it like I did the blimp. Push it down. What we doing? I push the button. That train looks freaking monstrous. Screw me. Right in the comment section, game train. Oh, I snuck a ride. Yes. Alright, we lined up. Let's push this bad boy forward. Damn. Oh, that's a heavyweight motherfucker right there. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Damn. Oh, we on the right track. Fuck your door. Fuck no. Let me in. I want that gun. Oh yeah. How'd that I've been working on the railroad all the long day. I've been working on the railroad just to pass the time away. Can't you see the ninja in your eyes? Riding on down the street. Can't you see? Oh, no. This is going to be an unstoppable force meets an unmovable object. Holy fuckaroonie! Ooh. Oh, the humanity. Oh. Whew. I ain't cleaning that shit up. Hell no. Oh, hey, we are done. Jesus. All we had to do was kill tanks and helicopters. And we have... Proceed. Head ninja. Oh. Yes. Alright, America, I guess we're gonna keep pushing through because I thought there was going to be a save point here. Oh shit. Oh shit, they've been upgraded. They got blue hair and shit. God damn it, they went LGBTQ on me. Ugh, sons of bitches. Stop it. You're still gonna get, I believe in equality, so you're still gonna get that same ass whooping. Hiya! Good. Okay. Oh, whoa. Okay. Your path lies in... No shit! Sherlock! Huh. The aqueduct. Our civilization has crumbled. There is no need for you to stay in the south. Here we go. Oh, no! Thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more, because I'm going to keep trying to bring it to you. Tony Magnum Gaming. You want some? Come get some.